Moon lamp, a popular choice for home decor and unique lighting solutions, loved for their realistic lunar design and soft ambient glow. Whether you're looking for a romantic nightlight, a gift for a loved one, or an aesthetic addition to your room. List number 1. Bright World Moon Lamp Galaxy Lamp 5.9 inch 16 colors LED 3D Moonlight Remote. This Bright World Moon Lamp is a stunning choice for those who want both a celestial design and vibrant lighting. Featuring a 5.9 inch 3D printed surface with a galaxy pattern, it offers 16 different color settings controlled via remote or touch. The lamp is rechargeable, providing several hours of soft illumination, making it ideal for bedrooms or living spaces. Its artistic design also makes it a great conversation piece or gift. Durability is ensured with eco-friendly PLA material, perfect for mood lighting or as a decorative centerpiece. List number Midathon 3D Moon Lamp with 4.7 inch wooden base. Gift for lover. The Midathon 3D Moon Lamp is known for its soft, warm glow and smaller, elegant design. At 4.7 inches, it sits perfectly on a wooden base, adding a minimalist aesthetic to any space. This lamp offers two colors, warm yellow and cool white, adjustable with a simple touch control. Its long-lasting battery ensures extended use, while the detailed lunar surface provides a realistic touch, perfect for gifting. This moon lamp creates a cozy and romantic atmosphere for bedrooms or intimate settings. List number CPLA Moon Lamp Upgrade. 128 colors. Gifts for women, men, friends, her mom, sister. The CPLA Moon Lamp stands out with its incredible 128 color options, making it one of the most versatile on the market. With remote control and touch features, users can easily adjust brightness, color, and lighting modes to fit any mood. It's 3D printed with precision, replicating the moon's craters and surface details beautifully. The durable wooden base provides stability, while the rechargeable battery supports long hours of use. Ideal for special occasions, creative decor, or a unique lighting experience. List number 4. Mind-glowing moon lamp 3D moon nightlight for kids' bedroom. This mind-glowing moon lamp is designed with children and families in mind, featuring a soft, soothing light perfect for bedtime. It offers a range of colors and dimming options for creating a calming ambiance. The lamp is lightweight and durable, making it safe for kids' rooms. Its 3D printed lunar design adds an element of wonder, while the remote and touch controls make it easy to customize lighting. A great choice for parents seeking both function and style. List 5. Log Rotate Moon Lamp 16 colors LED nightlight for kids. 3D printing moon log rotates moon lamp offers 16 adjustable colors with smooth transitions, making it ideal for decorative and functional lighting. The realistic 3D printed lunar surface enhances its visual appeal, while the included remote makes brightness control easy. It's available in multiple sizes, but the mid-sized version strikes a balance between portability and brightness. Rechargeable and durable, this lamp is perfect for kids, gift-giving, or adding a dreamy touch to any room decor.